Yes friends, welcome once again to the class. Let's move on towards our next question of discussion of today. The question is question 2C, physics optional, paper 1 UPSC 2013. So the question 2C says the following, that calculate the horizontal component of the coriolis force acting on a body of mass 0.1 kg moving northward with a horizontal velocity of 100 meter per second at 30 degree north latitude on the earth. So due to rotation of the earth there is coriolis force. Okay, you already know that due to rotation of the earth there is coriolis force, but what is the formula of that coriolis force actually? Okay, so based on that formula we need to solve this particular question. So we have to calculate actually the horizontal component of the coriolis force, not total coriolis force, but we have to calculate its horizontal component only. Okay, and the mass of the body is also given to us, that it is 0.1 kg, and it is in the northern hemisphere. Okay, moving northward means it is in the northern hemisphere, and its horizontal velocity is 100 meter per second, horizontal velocity 100 meter per second, and 30 degree north latitude. The latitude of this particular body, where the body is situated, the latitude is actually 30 degree north. The latitude is 30 degree north. Okay, so let us see horizontal component of the coriolis force acting on the body. Let us see what is the horizontal component of coriolis force that is acting on the body. So Fc vector, that is the horizontal component of coriolis force. So it will be 2m omega cos lambda v I cap. I cap for horizontal. In order to show the horizontal direction, I am using the symbol I cap. Okay, I cap has been used to show the horizontal component. Okay, 2m omega cos lambda v. Okay, this is the formula. And where do we learn this formula? We learn this particular formula in the lectures. Now what is given to us? Mass is given as 0.1 kg, so this particular entity is given. Lambda is given as 30 degrees, so this particular entity is given. V equal to 100 meter per second, so this particular entity is given. So what is not given to us? Omega is not given to us. Okay, that is angular velocity of the earth. Omega is what? Omega is angular velocity of the earth. So omega, which is angular velocity of the earth, it is not given to us. So we have to find out the angular velocity of the earth. Angular velocity of the earth we need to find first. Okay, so omega we need to find first. So let us see how to find the omega value. Now omega equal to 2 pi by t, you all know. Okay, 2 pi by time period is equal to angular velocity. Okay, 2 pi by time period is equal to angular velocity. Now time period of rotation of earth is 24 hours, you all know. Time period of rotation of earth, it is 24 hours. So 24 hours will be equal to 24 into 60 minutes, right? And that will be equal to 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, so that is the thing. Do not use the formula that time period equal to 23 hour 56 minute and all those things which you the hard and fast facts. Okay, what is the hard and fast fact? Hard and fast fact is that actual time of rotation of earth is 23 hours 56 minutes and some seconds. Okay, I am not remembering it properly, but 23 hours 56 minutes and some seconds, that is the actual formula. Okay, formula means actual value, but you should not use that value because physics professor does not know that particular value. Okay, so that value you should remember for state PCS. In UPSC it's such hard and fast facts, pure factual questions are not asked in UPSC. Okay, so that is hard and fast fact, that exact time of rotation of earth is 23 hours 56 minutes something seconds. Okay, so that is not at all important. You must use the time period t equal to 24 hours itself. You should use this only. Okay, so time period t equal to 24 hours. So 24 hours is equal to, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So in 24 hour we will have 24 into 60 minutes. Okay, and then how to convert minutes into seconds? In order to convert minutes into seconds, we need to again multiply by 60. So 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, so time period of rotation is what? Time period of rotation of earth is 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, so let us calculate the angular velocity of the earth. Omega equal to angular velocity of the earth equal to 2 pi by t. Okay, omega is what? Angular velocity of the earth, and that is equal to 2 pi by t. And in the place of t, that is 24 into 60 into 60, you will substitute over here in the place of t. Okay, so in the place of t we have substituted that, and 2 pi is as it is. Okay, and why did we convert this into seconds? By the way, why did we convert hours into seconds? The reason is that angular velocity is SI unit. Okay, SI unit of angular velocity is radian per second. Okay, so in order to get the value in radian per second, we are converting hours into seconds. So we have converted it into seconds. Now angular velocity of the earth is equal to 2 pi by t equal to 2 pi by 24 into 60 into 60. As soon as you put this value into the calculator, you get something of this kind, 7.29 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, what is angular velocity of the earth? 7.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 radian per second. Okay, so angular velocity of the earth omega is equal to 7.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 radian per second. Okay, this is the thing. Now we can substitute successfully. Okay, now in this particular formula just substitute the values. In the place of m, substitute 0.1 kg. So over here 0.1 kg. So let us write properly. Okay, 0.1 kg substituted over here. Then what did we substitute in the place of omega? 7.29 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, in the place of omega 7.29 into 10 to the power minus 5. We will substitute in the place of omega. Okay, and what about lambda? Lambda is 30. Okay, so we will substitute 30 over here, so it will be cos 30. Okay, so that is the thing. And what is v? V is 100 meter per second, so v, in the place of v, we will substitute 100 meter per second. So that is, those are the things which we substitute over here. So horizontal component of Coriolis force now we can calculate. Okay, we have all the values now with us. We have all the values with us now. So Fc is equal to 2 into 0.1 into 7.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 into cos 30 into 100 I cap. As soon as you substitute all these values, the horizontal component of Coriolis force, you get to be equal to 2.248 into 10 to the power minus 4 I cap Newton. Okay, so this is what? This is horizontal component of the Coriolis force. Okay, and look at the question. We had to calculate this only, right? Look at the question. Horizontal component of Coriolis force. Okay, we had to calculate horizontal component of the Coriolis force. We had to calculate this. Okay, and we have successfully calculated this. Horizontal component of Coriolis force. Okay, so we have got the final answer. The final answer will be in Newton. Why the final answer will be in Newton? Because we have used SI units. Okay, as we have used SI units, so that's why final answer will be in Newton, because all the things which we have substituted, all the substituted things are in SI units. Okay, so that's why, as all the substituted things are in SI units, so the force is in Newton, because Newton is the SI unit of force. Okay, so that is the thing. Now I want to give you one suggestion. Okay, my serious suggestion. This is very serious suggestion. Then this is not. I am not hyping the content. I am telling you the truth. Okay, I am not hyping the content. I am not interested in hyping the content. I am just telling you the truth. Okay, so one suggestion to all of you is that Constitution will be changed after 2024. This is very sure. Okay, I am very sure about it. After 2024, will it be changed in 25? Will it be changed in 26? Will it be changed in 27? That I do not know. But after 2024, Constitution will be changed. That's for sure. That's what I know. That's for sure. Okay. Most probably in 2025 the Constitution will be changed. Most probably, I am saying it may be 2026 also. It may be 26 also, or it may be 27 also, but most probably in 2025. Okay. So try to clear IAS exam before that. Okay, before the year 2025 or 2026. Before that, please try to clear the IAS exam. because after that there will be political postings. After that, what will happen? Political postings will be there. Just like lateral entry. What is lateral entry? You already know. Okay, you must have been brainwashed by the civil services teachers that lateral entry has positives and negatives. Okay, such brainwashing they keep doing. So I am not going into that, but let me tell you that lateral entry simply means that they are killing the UPSC aspirants' struggle. Okay, means they are putting a political person in the form of lateral entry. So that now that was this lateral entry was limited to the top level. Okay, up to now what used to happen? Lateral entry was limited to the top level, but now from 2025-26 onwards, there will be pure political postings. Okay, there will be pure political postings, just like lateral entry. Now, lateral entry is for top cabinet secretary type of thing. For those things, lateral entry is existing right now. Okay, but after 2025, even for lower level postings, okay, initial postings, there will be political postings. There will be no civil services exam. Okay, so there will be political postings, just like lateral entry, or suppose, or other way might also be there. Or in case if the exam is continued, if the civil services exam is continued after 2025, only communal and religious things will be taught to you. Okay, so let me warn you that in case if the civil services exam is continued after 2025, only communal and religious things will be taught to you if the exam is continued. Okay, and if the exam is not continued, then they will do political postings. They will do political postings if the exam is not continued. And if the exam is continued, then they will teach you communal and religious things only. No constitutional things like today. Okay, so only communal and religious things will be taught to you. So it's better to clear before 2025. Let me tell you, I am telling you for your benefit, and I am not hyping the content. I am not here to brainwash you. Okay, unlike other civil services teachers who always keep balancing the things so that no one threatens them on the phone. Okay, I am not like I am not a person like that. I get threats all the day. Throughout the day, I get threats on the phone, and I am used to it. It doesn't matter even if my house is bulldozed. Okay, but let me tell you the truth. Okay, it's better to clear IAS exam before 2025. Okay, most probably after 2025, what will happen? Most probably after 2025, members of these organizations. Okay, these are only two organizations. There are 136, 137 such organizations. right wing organizations. So most probably members of these things, okay, members of these or these, okay, etc. So they will be IS and IPS officer. They will be IS and IPS officer after 2025, most probably. Most probably. Or if the exam is continued, then only rubbish things will be taught to you. If the exam is continued, in case the exam is continued, then only such type of things will be taught to you. Okay. So this is the thing. So only these people will be IS and IPS officer after 2025. So please, I am requesting you, please clear before 2025. Please clear before 2025. Okay. I am not afraid. Okay. Even if you give me threats on this number, I am not afraid. Okay. Give me threats. I am not afraid. Okay. Thank you very much.